What a beautiful day today!
Police car.
The police car is patrolling the streets.
What is this?
Suddenly, it notices a broken manhole cover on the road. The police car quickly calls the construction team for help.
Crane truck.
It's a disappear. Let's go.
Dump truck.
Let's go.
The crane truck and dump truck arrive very fast.
Okay.
The crane lifts the broken manhole cover and places it into the dump truck.
Wow, it's a nice slide.
The dump truck carries the old cover away. But without a manhole cover, the road is very dangerous.
Let's go.
The crane quickly places warning signs to keep everyone safe.
Nice.
Just then, a tractor drives by while talking on the phone. It doesn't see the warning sign and accidentally falls into the hole. The crane and dump truck return with a new manhole cover and discover the trapped tractor. The crane carefully lifts the tractor back onto the road. Then the crane safely installs the new manhole cover. The road is safe again. Next, they call a tow truck.
Let's go. It's a disappear. Okay.
The crane lifts the tractor onto it and sends it to the repair shop. Soon, the tractor is fully repaired.
Wow, it's a nice slide. Yeah!
Is everything all right? Oh no! I am extremely sorry. Do not use your phone while driving.
Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.